Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. This is for class 4th subject mathematics. I will start new chapter number 5 division and this is our lecture number 1. Now in this lecture I shall discuss about introduction to division and let's rewind exercise. Now table of 7. Speak with me. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Speak with me one more time. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Now table of 8. Speak with me. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Speak with me one more time. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Now table of 9. Speak with me. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Speak with me one more time. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Now, introduction to division. What is division? See, division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. Division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. Or, division is an operation that is just the opposite of multiplication. Division is an operation that is just the opposite of multiplication. Now, for example, A part 42 divides 7 equal to dash. It means we will divide 42 by 7. Okay. Write down answer. Make a sign like this. Write 7 on left side and 42 in this middle one. See what is 7? 7 is divisor. So what is divisor? The number by which we divide is called divisor. And 42 is dividend. The number which is being divided is called dividend. So now multiply this 7 by that number so that it is equal to 42 or less than 42. It should not be greater than 42. So 7 6 are 42. Write 42 here. Now we will do subtraction. 2 minus 2 0. 4 minus 4 0. Now see what is 6? The answer obtained by carrying out a division is called quotient. Here 6 is quotient and the number left after completing the process of division is called remainder. So here 0 is the remainder. 6 is quotient and 0 is remainder. Okay. So write down. Thus 42 divides 7 equal to 6. Okay. Now I will tell you an activity. Okay. See. There are 16 balls and 4 boxes. There are 16 balls and 4 boxes. Then how to put 16 balls into 4 equal sized boxes? How to put 16 balls into 4 equal sized boxes? There are 16 balls. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And there are 4 equal sized boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how to put 16 balls into 4 equal sized boxes? Now see, there are 4 boxes. Now you have to put 16 balls in these 4 equal sized boxes. Okay. So we will put one by one ball. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Thus, 4 balls should be kept in each box. In each box there are 4 balls. Okay. So write down. Therefore, it can be written as 16 divided 4 equal to 4. Okay. Now, for example, A part 36 divide 4 equal to dash. It means we have to divide 36 by 4. 36 divide 4 equal to dash. Write down answer. 36 divide 4 equal to 9. 36 divide 4 equal to 9. So 9 is the answer. Means 9 is the quotient. Okay. Now B part 64 divide 8 equal to dash. It means we will divide 64 by 8. So we will get 8. Okay. Write down answer. 64 divide 8 equal to 8. So 8 is the answer. Clear? Now C part 55 divide 5 equal to dash. It means we will divide 55 by 5. So we will get 11. Okay. So write down answer. 55 divide 5 equal to 11. So 11 is the answer. Now D part 27 divide 3 equal to dash. It means we will divide 27 by 3. So we will get 9. Okay. So write down answer. 27 divide 3 equal to 9. So 9 is the answer. Now E part 48 divide 12 equal to dash. We have to divide 48 by 12. So what you will get? See, answer 48 divide 12 equal to 4. So 4 is the answer. Now F part 56 divide 7 equal to dash. So we will divide 56 by 7. So what we will get? Write down answer 56 divide 7 equal to 8. So 8 is the answer. Now solve the following questions. Let's rewind exercise. Question number 1. Solve the following division sums and correct the quotient. A part 0 divide 1 equal to dash. Options are given 0, 1, 2. You have to take the correct quotient. Means correct answer. Okay. See 0 divide 1 equal to 0. So write down answer 0 divide 1 equal to 0. So take 0. Okay. So 0 is the correct quotient. Now B part 60 divide 15 equal to dash. Options are given 1, 4, 3. You have to take the correct quotient. See answer 60 divide 15 equal to 4. So 4 is the correct quotient. So take the correct quotient, that is 4. Okay. Now C part 312 divide 3 equal to dash. Options are given 14, 410, 104. You have to take the correct quotient. So divide 312 by 3. So see, multiply this 3 by 1. So what you will get? You will get 3. So 3 multiply 1 equal to 3. Now subtract this. 3 minus 3, 0. Now put 1 here. See, 1 is less than 3. So we will take one more number, that is 2. So take this number 2. So the number will be 12. So we will write here 0. Now see, multiply 3 by 4. 3 4s are 12. So write down 3 4s are 12. Now subtract this. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So quotient is 104. It means answer is 104. So write down answer 312 divide 3 equal to 104. So take the correct quotient, that is 104. Now D part 236 divide 4 equal to dash. Options are given 59, 95, 509. So divide 236 by 4. See 4 is a single digit divisor. So we will take only one number, that is 2. See, 2 is less than 4. So we will take one more number, that is 3. So number will be 23. Okay. So multiply this 4 by that number so that you will get less than 23 or equal to 23. That should not be greater than 23. See, 4 5s are 20. So write down 20 here. Now subtract this. 3 minus 0, 3. Write 3 here. 2 minus 2, 0. Now take one more number, that is 6. So number will be 36. Now multiply 4 by 9. 4 9s are 36. Now subtract this. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So quotient is 59. So write down answer 236 divide 4 equal to 59. So correct quotient is 59. So take the correct quotient, that is 59. Now E part, 8 divide 8 equal to dash. Options are given 1, 0, 10. See, 8 divide 8. So what you will get? You will get 1. So write down answer. 8 divide 8 equal to 1. So take the correct quotient, that is 1. Okay. Now F part, 18 divide 6 equal to dash. Options are given 1, 2, 3. 18 divide 6 equal to 3. So write down answer. 18 divide 6 equal to 3. So take the correct quotient, that is 3. Okay. Now G part, 770 divide 7 equal to dash. Options are given 11, 110, 101. See, divide 770 by 7. See, 77 divide 7 equal to 11, and then we will take one more 0 as it is. So what will be the correct quotient? Correct quotient will be 110. Okay, so write down answer. 770 divide 7 equal to 110. So take the correct quotient, that is 110. Now H part, 256 divide 8 equal to dash. Options are given 32, 23, 20. So divide 256 by 8. See, 8 is a single digit divisor, so we will take only one number, that is 2. But 2 is less than 8, so we will take one more number, that is 5. So number will be 25. See, so multiply 8 by that number so that you will get less than 25 or equal to 25. That should not be greater than 25. So see, 8 3s are 24. So write down 24 here. Now subtract this. 5 minus 4, 1. Write 1 here. 2 minus 2, 0. Write 0 here. Now take one more number, that is 6. So number will be 16. Okay. Now 8 2s are 16. Write 16 here. Now subtract this. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. So quotient is 32. So write down answer. 256 divide 8 equal to 32. So correct quotient is 32. So take the correct quotient, that is 32. Okay. Now I part, 54 divide 9 equal to dash. Options are given 5, 6, 4. 54 divide 9 equal to 6. So write down answer. 54 divide 9 equal to 6. So take the correct quotient, that is 6. Now J part, 300 divide 10 equal to dash. Options are given 300, 3, 30. 300 divide 10. 300 is dividend and 10 is divisor. See, in 300 2 zeros and in 10 only 1 0. So you will cut 1 0 from dividend. From means right side you have to. Okay. So cut the 0. So what will be the quotient? Quotient will be 30. Okay. So write down answer. 300 divide 10 equal to 30. So correct quotient is 30. So take the correct quotient, that is 30. Now, question number 2. Write down the division facts for the following multiplication facts. Hint, division facts for 200 multiply 5 equal to 1000 are 1000 divide 5 equal to 200 and 1000 divide 200 equal to 5. These are the division facts. Okay. Now, A part, 85 multiply 9 equal to 765. Answer, division facts for 85 multiply 9 equal to 765 are 765 divide 9 equal to 85 and 765 divide 85 equal to 9. Okay. Now B part, 127 multiply 3 equal to 381. Answer, division facts for 127 multiply 3 equal to 381 are 381 divide 3 equal to 127 and 381 divide 127 equal to 3. Okay. Now C part, 145 multiply 5 equal to 725. Answer, division facts for 145 multiply 5 equal to 725 are 725 divide 5 equal to 145 and 725 divide 145 equal to 5. Okay. Now D part. 225 multiply 4 equal to 1000. Answer. Division facts for 225 multiply 4 equal to 1000 are 1000 divide 4 equal to 225 and 1000 divide 225 equal to 4. Okay. Now question number 3. Make statements true by filling multiply or divide in the box. These are the signs multiply or divide. A part. 8 dash 7 equal to 56. 8 dash 7 equal to 56. So we will fill multiply sign here. Okay. So write down answer. 8 multiply 7 equal to 56. Clear? Now B part. 84 dash 7 equal to 12. 84 dash 7 equal to 12. So we will fill by division sign. Okay. So write down answer. 84 divide 7 equal to 12. Clear? Now C part. 505 dash 5 equal to 101. 505 dash 5 equal to 101. So we will fill by division sign. Okay. So write down answer. 505 divide 5 equal to 101. Clear? Now D part. 81 dash 9 equal to 729. 81 dash 9 equal to 729. So we will fill by sign multiply. Okay. So write down answer. 81 multiply 9 equal to 729. Okay. Now question number 4. Divide. A part. 168 divide 8 equal to dash. We have to divide 168 by 8. So write down answer. Make sign first of all. Write down 8 on left side and 168 in between. Okay. Now see, 8 is a divisor and 168 is a dividend. So see, 8 is a single digit divisor, so we will take only one number in dividend. Okay. But 1 is less than 8, so we will take one more number. So number will be 16. Now see, we have to multiply this 8 by that number so that you will get equal to 16 or less than 16. That should not be greater than 16. See, 8 2s are 16. So write 2 here and write 16 here. Now subtract this. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Now take next number, that is 8. So multiply this 8 by 1. 8 ones are 8. So write down 1 here and write down 8 here. Now subtract this. 8 minus 8, 0. Write 0 here. Quotient is 21 and remainder is 0. Okay. So write down thus 168 divide 8 equal to 21. 21 is the answer. Clear? Now B part. 348 divide 4 equal to dash. We have to divide 348 by 4. Write down answer. First of all make a sign. Write down 4 here and write down 348 here. Now see, 4 is a single digit divisor. So we will take only one number in dividend, that is 3. But 3 is less than 4, so we will take one more number, that is 4. So number will be 34. Now multiply this 4 by that number so that you will get equal to 34 or less than 34. That should not be greater than 34. See, 4 8s are 32. So write down 8 here and write down 32 here. Now subtract this. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. Okay. 4 minus 2, 2. Write 2 here and 3 minus 3, 0. Now take one more number, that is 8. So number will be 28. Now multiply 4. 4 sevens are 28. So write down 7 here and write down 28 here. Okay. Now subtract this. 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Quotient is 87. Remainder is 0. So write down thus 348 divide 4 equal to 87. So 87 is the answer. Okay. Now C part. 208 divide 2 equal to dash. You have to divide 208 by 2. Write down answer. Make a sign like this. Write 2 here and write 208 here. Now see, 2 is a single digit divisor and so we will take only one number in dividend, that is 2. See, 2 ones are 2. Write 2 here and write down 1 here. Now subtract this. 2 minus 2, 0. Okay. Now take next number, that is 0. But 0 is less than 2. So we will take one more number. Okay. So write down 8. But you will write 0 here also in quotient. Okay. Now see. Now multiply this 2 by that number so that it is equal to 8 or less than 8. That should not be greater than 8. See, 2 4s are 8. So write down 4 here and write down 8 here. Now subtract this. 8 minus 8, 0. Write 0 here. Quotient is 104 and remainder is 0. So write down. Thus 208 divide 2 equal to 104. 104 is the answer. Okay. Now solve the following questions assigned as homework. Let's rewind exercise. Okay. Question number 4. Divide D part 496 divide 8 equal to dash. E part 648 divide 4 equal to dash. F part 763 divide 7 equal to dash. I repeat. Question number 4. Divide D part 496 divide 8 equal to dash. E part 648 divide 4 equal to dash. F part 763 divide 7 equal to dash. Now question number 5. Fill in the blanks. A part 60 divide 6 equal to dash. B part 81 divide 9 equal to dash. C part 80 divide dash equal to 8. D part 63 divide dash equal to 9. E part 417 divide dash equal to 417. I repeat, question number 5. Fill in the blanks. A part 60 divide 6 equal to dash. B part 81 divide 9 equal to dash. C part 80 divide dash equal to 8. D part 63 divide dash equal to 9. E part 417 divide dash equal to 417. These are the questions assigned as homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.